Imagine never having to worry about how you generate new business again. That's what Stratique's Business Propeller could do for you. Stratique is the leading direct marketing and lead generation agency for companies operating in the manufacturing sector, and we help our clients to achieve their new business targets by uncovering new opportunities, nurturing new prospects, and when they are ready, arranging face-to-face appointments with them. This process has been constantly refined over 15 years, so we know it works. Our senior management and digital marketing teams have over 40 years combined experience in marketing for manufacturing and B2B lead generation. And our telemarketing team have visited more manufacturing facilities than any other agency we know of. And they talk to buyers and decision makers in the manufacturing sector every day. Stratique is unique, and we integrate highly effective direct marketing campaigns for our clients to deliver a steady stream of highly qualified sales opportunities and face-to-face meetings. And we are the only marketing agency that we know of with a money-back guarantee. To find out more, simply fill in the form on this page, and one of our friendly team will be in contact soon.